The new 2019 Nissan Livina made its world debut in Indonesia today. Previously spied wearing very little disguise, the new Livina replaces an aging model that's struggling to compete in Indonesia's core low MPV segment, where the Toyota Avanza, Daihatsu Xenia, Honda Mobilio and Suzuki Ertiga play in. The new boy in this budget 3-row MPV segment is the Mitsubishi Xpander, which the new Livina is based on. Most of the Xpander's sheet metal have been carried over, but Nissan did make slight modifications to the dynamic shield face of its alliance partner's donor car. As per the Xpander, there are slim daytime running lights sitting above big main beams in a 3-tier lighting arrangement, although the LED DRL design is different, and the Mitsu's trademark chrome strips that give the sunken cheeks look is absent. Without this frame, the grille is bowl-shaped rather than X-shaped, conveniently morphing into Nissan's V-Motion nose. Also different from the Xpander is the lower bumper, which has a full-width silver lip and angular fog lamps at each end, versus round fogs on the Xpander, arranged narrowly. The contrasting front lip is visually connected to the silver side skirts. Also, the front wheel arches of the Nissan are round instead of squared off on the Mitsubishi. On the side, that deep wedge of a signature line is present, along with the floating roof look created by the small black strip joining the side and rear glass areas. At the back, the shape of the tail lamp cluster is similar, although the LED signature graphics are different. The Livina sports outward-pointing boomerangs. The Nissan's tailgate is also more simple in design compared to the Xpander, which features lines that mimic the dynamic shield face. Lastly, the silver diffuser of the Livina is a two-piece item. We see some X-trail in the rear. As a whole, while easily recognizable as twins, it's easy to tell the Livina and Xpander apart. Under the skin, they're the same. The new Livina is powered by a 1.5-liter engine with 104 PS and 141 Nm of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute, mated to a 5-speed manual or 4-speed automatic. Maximum ground clearance is 205 mm on 16-inch wheels, an important stat for Indonesian buyers. Equipment highlights on this trendy techno MPV include a 7-inch touchscreen head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, LED DRLs, 16-inch two-tone alloys, color multi-info display with eco indicator, reverse camera, keyless entry with push start, tilt and telescopic steering and 12 volts power outlets for each row. There are 5 variants and 4 trim levels in Indonesia, and the lineup reads EMT, LMT, Elite, Fayette and the Top V Elite. All models get dual airbags and ABS, EBD, with the VA and VL adding on brake assist, vehicle dynamics control, VDC, and the above-mentioned backup camera. Prices range from Rp 198.8 juta, 57,532, for the bare-bones EMT, 15-inch steel wheels, no rear AC blower and radio, to Rp 261.9 juta, 75.